Welcome to VSS IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about how to write the Go program. How to write the Go program. Just I want to print a hello world. Write a Go program. Write a Go program to print hello world. To print hello world. To print hello world. Write a Go program to print a hello world. Simply open the notepad as a beginner level. Open one editor notepad. Import package, main package. Import main package. Now simply package. This is a Go programming style. Main package. We are import. We are import FMT package. FMT package format. FMT package. Now observing very clearly, declare the main package. Declare the main package. Next one, import the format package, that is a FMT, which contains functions for formatting the text, including the printing to the console, and different functions are available. Next one, declare the main function. Okay, here how to create a function by using func keyword. Func main function. Main function. I want to print one message. How to print that one? In the format package, one function is available. That function name is called println. Println hello world. Hello world. Okay, this is a simple Go program just to print a hello world. Import main package. Package main. Declare the main package. Declaring the main package. Import the package. Here one built-in package I am importing. That package name is called FMT, like as a formatting, which contains functions for formatting the text and including the printing to the console, or some functions are already available in the FMT package. In the FMT package, println is a one function. Just I want to print hello world. Now, after writing the Go code, next how to save that file? Simply .go extension. Simply .go extension in my system, in the desktop. In the desktop, my file name is demo.go. Demo.go. Go language file extension .go. Next one, how to run. How to run in my system, in the C drive slash users slash Lenovo slash desktop slash demo.go. File extension is demo.go. Next, how to run Go file through CMD. How to run Go file through CMD or terminal. If you want to run Go file, if we want to run Go file through CMD or terminal, in that case we are using following command: go run file name, go run file name, go run file name. Okay, simply open the command prompt, go run file name demo. Demo is not a std. For suppose go run demo.go, now simply cannot find the file specified. Simply cd space desktop. That file is available in my system in the desktop. Go run demo. Okay, compulsory file extension is required. File name dot go. Go run demo.go. Go run demo.go. Okay, just wait. Okay, hello world message is printed. Okay, this is the command. Okay, this is our go file and this is the execution. Okay, go run file name dot go. Now hello world message is printed. Okay, this is a simple go program to print hello world. To print hello world. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.